Hello, garden friends. Welcome back to my garden. And yes, look at the damages. So, yeah, some of my plants did experience a bit of freeze during the after effects of the blizzard that happened up north. And look at this, we're all the way in Florida and we have ice on the grass. We were literally like one step closer to snow if it was any colder. We were in the low of about 22 was our lowest temperature, but we felt it down here as well, and our plants got impacted. So let's take a look at the plants that survived and that didn't make it. All right, so we're starting the tour on the patio again. I actually put all my plants, the ones I was concerned were gonna get hit by the frost, on the patio. The hydrangeas still have the flowers. The main reason I brought the hydrangea in is because I didn't want the buds that are coming in for next year to freeze off. They do look a bit brown, but I think they're fine. Now let's take a look at the other items. If you remember this plant, like everything is literally crispy. Oh look, we have one shoot here we can salvage for next year, I think. This back there, still a bit green. Actually two. This one looks good still. And the tea plant, that one, it seemed like it did well. Some of the leaves on the bottom are a bit brown, but those are still red. All right, and look at our hibiscus. Oh, it did not make it at all. The flower grows off. Like all the leaves are damp. That's a gift from my son. Oh, it's so cute. So funny enough, the chrysanthemums, they are doing fine. Like, see? The blooms are fine. The leaves are fine. You got the red one. Blooms and leaves are both fine. But the hibiscus, this is a hibiscus unstandard. So this is my first year having it. So I didn't have it last winter. I will see if the leaves come back on the top or how that works, because I'm so accustomed to the hardy hibiscus where they come from the ground up and I have to cut it back. So this is interesting. We'll see how that works. So next up, let's take a look at the other hibiscus over here. See the kalanchoe, those went back. Ooh. Here you go, the grail hibiscus. But I expected this one to die back because it grows from the ground up, so I'm okay with that. This hibiscus, all the buds are lost. Oh, look. And it was in ground, so this wasn't one I could have taken inside. The leaves are still wet, so I'm pretty sure because last year they did the same thing happen and they turned like this and then they dried up and fall off. So yeah, the funny thing with this hibiscus, I believe it grows from the bottom as well as the existing branches, because I saw that last year. It seemed like both were happening. And there you go, the Poinsettia. That one needs to come out. Didn't make it. Christmas hollies are looking great. Those made it. The rose made it. Other Poinsettia that was already half dead made it. Dianthus made it. My double knockout roses. Some of the leaves are others are green still, but for the most part it made it. The salvia, some of the sticks are showing with no leaves. Asters made it. Ooh, pansies are looking great. The pansies are amazing winter plants. Even the kale, look how beautiful they look. They made it. These are doing great. So the pansies and the kale, those were part of my winter arrangement. Those were perfect. We had temperatures at 23 degrees. Here go my other kales. The juniper made it as well. The anthus made it. These kale made it, and these pansies in the pot made it. So those were great. Ooh, this did not make it. This is my sunflower. Let's get closer. So I'm going to be cleaning the garden up shortly. Actually, I will clean it up when I'm taking all the Christmas lights down. The bench, I'm going to move it for now. Ooh, there's a yellow pansy in here. Oh, I changed from purple to yellow. How pretty. Look at that. It's purple and yellow. So that's my other planter. Look at the mums. These limelight hydrangea. The leaves are a bit weathered, brown. But normally they're deciduous plants, and normally they lose all their leaves anyways. But they're doing good. The other Poinsettia did not make it at all. It's wet, not yet crunchy. And I put this in my garage. Now this is my give you a close look at my coleus. I put it in the garage. It was still cold, so it kind of survived. Like some parts that were closer to the garage door felt the cold and didn't make it. But these are very sensitive to the cold. It was a lot fuller, and as you can see, it's dying back. But my other coleus that was in the ground. Look at it. This is crazy. This is a red one as well. You remember it? Like, look at this. They are very sensitive. That's crazy. And that's why I brought this one inside. I didn't even put it on the patio. I brought it completely inside because they're very sensitive. Wow. That is so crazy. And there go the cabbage in the back. Now look at my endless, I think it's an endless summer hydrangea. I got it on clearance. It was like $7. Those didn't make it, but I'm pretty sure they'll come back next year. Funny thing is, I think when I bought them, this is what they look like, and I pretty much rehab them back to life. Shoots in the ground there, those are protected by the mulch, you see, deep down. So those will be there for next year. If you see, these holes are where the pots were. I took them out. This hole over here is where the other coleus was. I took it out. But here go the white. Aww, it looks so pretty. You know, I wish I had taken care of the other two that came with it, but they slowly died back. But I didn't realize it was gonna last throughout the whole year. I had this since January last year. I made it through the summer and everything. So I thought these were like animals and they died back completely, but nope, look at that. I got those for $1 too. Those were completely dead when I got them, and I rehabbed them, so one is left. This is my coreopsis. Oh my goodness, guys, we have sun. The first time in days we have sun. Oh. Alright, so let's take a look at the cabbage. Alright, so now we're looking at the cabbages that's on this side. That one, the leaves are not upright like before. They still feel a little wet. But this one, oh, look at the purple coming in the middle, so pretty. And this one looks like that one before, so now it's actually fluffing back up. So that's good to know that they bounce back. Here go the other two. So that one still haven't fluffed up. This one, so these two in the middle are fluffing up. And there go the mums as well. And like I said, I took that from here. And I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. An overview. Look at that. So it's pretty much time to clean up the garden and put it to bed. I'm going to be doing that soon. And I'll keep you guys posted, but that's what survived. Survived our winter. Actually, I didn't show you the other ones. Let's take a look at the one in the back. All right. So the mums are looking great. They were not fazed by the cold at all. And look at that. They have their blooms coming back. New green growth. they love the cold. So I'm going to put those in the ground. So since those are returning bloomers, I will take it. This is my hibiscus. The leaves on this one are dry. Eventually the ones in the front will get like this as well. Let me break a stem and see how it is. See? So it's dry, the stem itself is dry. If you look all the way down, you see down here is a lot more green. So eventually the entire stem will turn brown and die back. I like the stick look, and I'll cut it back in the spring, but I normally keep it that way, and it also helps protect the roots of the plant. So you don't want to cut it all the way back and then the frost come and kills the base and all that. I still have to mulch this area. I didn't do that as yet. I will be taking care of that soon. And I have not planted my ranunculus as yet, which I should be doing. I might do that today or tomorrow since it's not cold anymore. I should have gotten them in the ground since last month. But that's what here is looking at like. And next time you see this video, next time you see another video, you may see the ranunculus in the ground. If not, you may see a garden cleanup video. We'll see. But that's the next 2 projects coming up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.